High blood pressure affects millions worldwide, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. But did you know that a common kitchen ingredient might help manage it? Let's explore how garlic can play a role in controlling blood pressure. Garlic has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Recent studies suggest that garlic preparations may lower blood pressure in individuals with hypertension. However, it's important to note that most of this research consists of small, preliminary, or low-quality studies. To potentially benefit from garlic's properties, consider adding it to your daily meals. Here are some simple ways. But before we start, please let me know in the comments where you're watching my video from. Number 1. Raw garlic. Consuming 1 to 2 cloves of raw garlic daily may be beneficial. Crush the cloves, let them sit for a few minutes to activate beneficial compounds, and then consume. Number 2. Cooked dishes. Add minced garlic to soups, stews, and stir-fries. While cooking may reduce some potency, it still offers health benefits. Number 3. Garlic supplements. Garlic supplements are available in various forms, including aged garlic extract and garlic powder tablets. Dosages in studies have ranged from 400 to 1,200 milligrams daily. Consult with a healthcare provider before starting any supplement. While garlic is generally safe for most people, it's essential to consider the following. Medication interactions. Garlic can interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners and blood pressure drugs. Always consult your healthcare provider before adding garlic supplements to your regimen. Side effects. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort or allergic reactions. Start with small amounts to assess your tolerance. Incorporating garlic into your diet may offer a natural way to support blood pressure management. However, it's crucial to combine this approach with other healthy lifestyle choices and consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice. Dear viewers, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Write your opinion in the comments. New followers, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more health tips. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.